Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2018 Rubicon. This is the JL model. As you can see, it's got the upgraded wheels, all-terrain tires. It's got proximity entrance. This one has leather with the stitching, the red dashboard. This one's even got navigation. Bluetooth for your cell phone. Lock differentials front and rear, and you can disconnect the sway bar so you can do off-road. This car only has 19,466 miles on it. It's a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax. It will be a certified unit, as you can see. It's also got the three-piece Freedom hardtop. It's got the upgraded sound system, including AC vents in the back. You really got to see it. It's got the rock rails, LED lighting. It's got the backup camera. It's got the tow hook. It's got the trailer hitch. It's got the tint up at the top. It's got the louvers on the hood. This one has LED lighting. You're not going to find this car anywhere but at Firkins. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this car at Firkins.